Hey guys, so in this tutorial we'll be learning how to perform subtotals on a filtered dataset. So for instance, if we apply a sum on a numeric column, say units, and click enter, you can see here that it's a sum of all the values inside the units column. So 2121 is sum of E1 to E44. What I'm going to do now is to filter the values of items by only binder, and as you can see, the sum is no longer displayed based on our filtered item binder. So if you want to see the sum of items even after you apply the filter on the dataset, you can use subtotal instead of the sum function. So the subtotal works this way. So if you are going to apply a subtotal, all you have to do is click equal to subtotal, and then say you have a range of functions you can perform on this, but we are going to do a sum on the values. So I would select the option 9 and then say I want this between my E1 to E44 cells, and then click OK. Now what happens is, if I go and select the item binder here, you can still see the value total, which is 987 based on our filtered value. You can still go ahead and make another filter here and say I want only kill, and then there are no binders sold by kill. Oh no, there is something sold by kill. Maybe oh yeah, the Excel had to like scroll up, and then you see that a value of 126 is displayed, and that's how you perform a subtotal function to show the totals based on the filtered value. And as we saw earlier, you can perform a range of operations using this formula. We use the value sum, and that's why we mentioned subtotal, and then whatever you mention after this. So if you mention 9, it's going to do a sum on the range. If you're going to mention something else, say 1, it will do an average. So let's see that as well. So if I just going to change this to 1, and if you see, it's an average between this and this. So keep doing this and see. So it's just a count of cells. So if 2 is a count of cells, 3 is a count of non-empty ones. So keep trying this, and then you can see the various options which are applicable for subtotal. Thanks for watching the video, and bye.